Okay, since you hate your son, I am gonna get him. You stay here, and then next is your turn. Okay. Okay. Luigi! Luigi! Where is he? Oh, yeah. Oh, my nana got a... Wait, someone just knocked my... Gotta open the door. What do you want? Can't you see I'm hearing a... song? I did it. Now let's go tell. Okay, go ahead. Fine. So what am I supposed to do? You're a security guard. Supposed to be a boy security guard. I mean, you're supposed to be a nice security guard. It's turning nighttime. But it's not even nighttime. We'll just do it. I'll do morning, you do nighttime. Fine. Oh, fuck. It's just Friday? Yes. So, I think I'm supposed to make sure he doesn't come. Okay, this is boring. Why did... Gosh, let me just go actually, not even to my son's room. Wow, he does nothing. What the fuck happened? I don't know. Yeah, what the fuck? We don't even have that. What is that? Whatever. I just gotta go back to my house. Okay, now where's my house? This is the place. Nope, this is another place. Oh, it's nighttime. Gosh. Well, I guess I'm to sleep here for today. What the? I just gotta make sure he's not asleep. Dude, I told you not to sleep! He's bad at everything. You know what? Let me just continue sleeping. I just gotta take a little rest. Oh, hi Luigi. Wait, what? What are you doing here? Just came to visit. And what are you gonna... Sorry. Did you hear me? Yeah. Man, stop hurting. Okay. Now I just gotta be bored. Okay, let's just continue finding my house. Yeah. Wait, let me record my video. Hi everybody, my name is Luigi. And my dad just kicked me out of my house. Or I think it's Seth. Sorry, I keep farting. Man, why did I make that video? My house! What the heck? What the heck just happened? Oh gosh, gotta go check. Wait, what are you doing? That's what you get. Beep, beep. Okay, now I can enjoy my house.